gentlemen dancing on the stage. These lucky fellas are the only gentlemen on the tour. Yeah, twins! I'd like for you guys to give it up for the crew. Every strobe light, every fan, every piece of the stage is put together every day by a very hard-working crew. And I'd like for y'all to give it up for the beautiful, sexy mama.
Just enjoy yourself. Let the mamas sing the music, catching you. Life ain't so bad at all.
And I want to give it up. I want to give all my love to my beehive. Thank y'all so much. Give it up for the beautiful, intelligent ladies playing these instruments.
Oh,